Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to grow green chilies from seeds at home. Begin by soaking seeds for 12 hours and then place them on a damp paper towel inside a sealed bag. Keep the towel moist and warm, checking daily for tiny shoots. Once sprouts appear, prepare seed trays with a light, well-draining mix and plant each sprout shallowly about 3/8 inch deep. Transplant seedlings when they show 2 true leaves and handle roots gently to avoid damage. Use individual pots if space allows, and bury seedlings to the first true leaves for sturdy stems. Water thoroughly after planting and allow excess to drain to prevent rot. Keep plants where they receive warm temperatures and steady light, and rotate pots weekly to promote even growth and straight stems. Feed plants with a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 weeks once they are established to encourage steady growth and fruit set. Avoid overwatering and ensure pots have good drainage to keep roots healthy and productive. When plants reach about 12 inches, pinch tips to promote branching and more chili production, and remove any yellow leaves promptly. Support taller varieties with stakes and monitor for pests like aphids or mites frequently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.